Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. If you're looking to sell spy gear or spy electronics on Amazon, my advice to you is do not do it. It is one of those niches where the quality of the products will vary vastly, because I have been involved in a similar niche before to spy gear. So don't get involved with it unless you know exactly which products, which suppliers are good. But it's one of those niches that Amazon, it's kind of like a love-hate relationship. So check that out. It's actually, I believe, a restricted or prohibited niche, all right? So, but guys, spy gear is one of those niches. Electronics, again, for beginners, I would say stay away from those niches because it's a niche where there's a lot of moving parts, a lot of cogs in the wheel with these products, so a lot can go wrong. Unless you're an electrician and you know exactly, you know, the insides and outsides of these particular products, or if you know exactly a supplier in China that is reputable in terms of the electronics, then go for it. But if it's your first product and you're just starting out on Amazon, selling on Amazon, and you're open for ideas and open to niches, get in contact with us, guys, because we actually help you find your first product in your first niche. All right, we've actually got a free video series below this video where you can actually gain access to the 10 hottest niches on Amazon, 10 hottest products that are actually on Amazon right now. But guys, yeah, so with your first product, try and keep it dead simple. Try and keep it as simple as you possibly can. That way, further down the line, I mean, later on down the line, you can jump on electronics. You can jump on, you know, other stuff, more high-tech sort of stuff. You can jump on portable TVs and computers and laptops and all that sort of stuff. But just for your first product, keep it dead simple. It's like that KISS. Keep it simple, stupid, right? KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That's probably what I would say, KISS, all right? So really try and keep it dead simple, all right? So that way nothing could go wrong. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's tip. Have an awesome day and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.